Hi, my name is Joan Bransfield Graham. I'm a children's book author and poet. And I'm going to ask you to close your eyes for just a moment and pretend you're at the beach. You're wiggling your toes in the warm sand. You're listening to the waves crash. It's a beautiful sunny day. What a wonderful sound the waves make. Well, you can open your eyes now. This is my ocean drum. And if you look carefully, you can see there's some little metal ball bearings in the bottom that roll around and make that amazing sound. Well, I have visited schools all over, even in Morocco, and children always ask me lots of questions. One of the questions they ask is, where do you get your ideas? Well, ideas are everywhere. They're all around us. And as a poet, you have to be very careful. You have to use your senses. You have to look around and capture all of those ideas. And they're everywhere. So when I sold my first book, which was called SPLISH SPLASH, my publisher, Houghton Mifflin Harcourt, asked me, how did you get the idea? What was your inspiration? Well, I had to think about that for a few minutes, and I realized that we had gone on a family camping trip to Yosemite National Park, which is just spectacular. While we were there, we hiked up Vernal Fall on the Mist Trail. When I got home, I wrote a waterfall poem. And I decided that I would have the words keep falling down and down and down and splash up at the bottom, just like a real waterfall. Well, that's concrete poetry, when you shape your poem like what you're talking about. Well, the next thing I knew, I was boiling words in a pot to make steam. I froze words into a popsicle. I even took a shower in words. I was having so much fun. And I realized I had never seen a book of water poems before, and water's so important to us. 71% of the Earth's surface is water, and 65 to 70% of you is water. So I was happy to write a book of water poems. I'm wondering if you could do a water poem. Do you think you could? Can you look at the world around you and think of a shape of water that you would like to do as a poem? I hope that you have fun splishing and splashing with your words and ideas. And for a little bit of inspiration at the end of this video, I'm going to give you inspiration from my backyard. Next, between our coastal redwood and our Monterey pine tree, we have a little pond and a stream and 3 tiny waterfalls. We have some goldfish, and in the summertime, we have water lilies. So I hope that the sight and the sound of this water gives you some inspiration, and look all around you. Catch the inspiration that you see and have fun. And I hope I see you again. This is my wave poem in sign language. Do it along with me. Waves gather water, building high until they break and wave